Welcome to our video on tax and wealth management awareness and what you can do about it. Did you know that your coaching tuition is 100% deductible? That means it's possible to receive expert personalized education and a company-funded trade account at a net cost of $0. Incredible! It's as if all or part of your money is handed back to you a few months later, in addition to your expected growing trade profits. That could be considered an enormous discount off your coaching. It's just waiting for you, and you want to make sure you get it. Yes, such savings are possible with a proper tax plan by our affiliate expert day trade tax professionals. Now, not only can you deduct all of your tuition for coaching, but you can deduct so much more, such as indicator fees, data fees, mileage to meetings, related meals, seminar fees, computer costs, home office space, office equipment, office furniture, cable and other utilities, vehicle depreciation, and more. Imagine the savings when you include all of the expenses you are allowed as tax deductions. And all of these savings are just the first year, with savings following year after year after year. You might wonder why a day trade education company is concerned about your taxes. The reality is that after securing your day trade profits, your tax obligation will have more impact on your gained wealth than anything else. As a day trading education company, we would be leaving a void in that education without bringing both awareness and solutions to this aspect of day trading. Because our day trade system is proven, and with it we are confident you can earn extra cash, a lifestyle income, and wealth with time flexibility, we can then broaden our concern for your total day trade success and ultimate financial security. Arriving at any financial security is a journey. We can shorten that journey to your first financial security destination, from which you will see your next wealth and success horizon. We will help you do this by drawing upon the experiences of successful day traders from our group who have traveled the path before you. One of the great assets of your membership with us is benefiting from being lifted into your own great success by association with our group wisdom. Here, that guidance is drawn from our most highly profitable and wealthy day traders and their best practices in protecting and retaining day trade earnings and wealth. Our most successful day traders, partners, and executives credit their trading and related success to three core realms. A proper balance between these three success pillars acts like the legs of a stool, from which your overall success can be supported and elevated. The first is having trade success, as this is your production engine to the lifestyle you seek. You may think a day trader would plan for tax and wealth considerations only after they gain some success. However, waiting will be costly. For instance, your tuition and other startup costs must be considered in the year they are expensed. The time to establish your tax and wealth plan is now. Once in place, you will be confident in your tax savings and wealth management going forward into greater prosperity. Your day trading success is very important to us, but not the focus of this training, so we would encourage you to actively engage with our group for continued assistance in trading. The second leg, and another major area of sharing from our group wisdom, is that of enhancing success-related personal and professional habits and disciplines. As you have already experienced, you can count on the predictability of the indicators, so the greatest variable in your day trade success is your trade discipline and habits. To better appreciate the value of trade habits and disciplines, consider the importance of a regular day trade routine, following a trade plan, expanding your trade psychology, ongoing skills and discipline development, regular association with others of success, and more. For now, we will leave the subject of developmental instruction that we offer through both internal and external trusted providers. The third of these key pillars, or legs of our stool of success, is keeping your money. It is widely acknowledged that how much of your wealth you keep is as important as how much you earn. So let's talk in more detail about this important aspect of your overall day trading financial success. You have worked hard to learn to day trade, to dare to enter the markets, to have the prowess and tools to win and earn cash, a lifestyle income, and gain wealth. Whether a casual or a devoted day trader, your ability to keep the money you earn will depend most upon tax and money management practices you put into place now. So, what is the difference between tax considerations and money management considerations? Taxes and fees, of course, refers to all and any obligations incurred to government entities from the moment a profit is made through any transactions of that money. Wealth management includes all actions, including tax planning, that allows you to keep and grow your money outside of day trading. This would include where funds are held, interest growth rates, fund diversification, fund liquidity, other investments, and more. Let's first focus our attention on tax considerations. Tax planning is often the first step to a prudent wealth plan. Your tax plan will need to introduce some areas of wealth management. However, the subject of wealth management that occurs after tax planning is vast and will be addressed elsewhere. We highly recommend that you consider the wisdom and experience suggested herein to pay your taxes fully and timely, but pay no more and no sooner than required by law. Day trade tax is an area of specialized law that most tax preparers, accountants, and attorneys are not informed enough about to fully and confidently address. Combine that with the fact that most traders are not aware of the savings available to them with a proper tax plan. What results is that many day traders lose a large amount of their earnings and future account growth. The question then becomes, do you, or your current tax preparer, know what they are doing? As this is a concern for most of our membership, we offer this instruction with a twofold purpose. First, to create day trade tax awareness, from which you can act to ensure your best and lawful tax posture. Second, given the scarcity of trusted day trade tax professionals, to recommend our affiliate expert in this area. So let's discuss general day trade tax awareness and then share a brief introduction to our day trade tax services. Now, with regards to general day trade tax awareness, the first thing to determine is if you are a day trader, as defined by the IRS. Being considered an active trader can confer many more tax benefits than a simple trader or investor. Essentially, when the IRS recognizes you as an active day trader, they see your activity as reaching the level of a business and meriting business-like tax privileges. An additional feature is the option not to have to pay self-employment tax on your net profits. That's nice if that option is in your best interest. So what is an active day trader? Well, because there really isn't a clear definition of an active day trader, we will use guidelines based on various court cases. So here's a good set of rules. Number 1, time trading. Do you spend lots of time researching and executing your trades? Consider about 16 hours a week is needed to meet this benchmark. 2, the number of trades. Can you demonstrate regular and continuous entry and exit trade pairs for most days the market is open? You are allowed vacation, but you cannot have weeks or months without active trading. As a benchmark, having 1,000 trades a year would be expected, with much less being problematic. 3, duration of trades. Are you strictly working with short-term trades? Work with the understanding that your trade should be open and closed in the same day or near the same day. Trades held in the market for a month or two likely nullifies your claim to be a day trader. 4, a trading career. This needs to be a period of 6 months or more, adhering to the qualifications we have just discussed. Here are 3 other aspects that are somewhat less rigid that defines an active day trader with the IRS. 1, trade profits. Are you actually profitable after all your deductible expenses, publications, internet, computer, software, seminars, etc.? 2, a regular job. Can you say you have no other regular full-time work or profession? 3, longevity. Are you able to claim trader status for last year? Will you be able to do so for this year as well? To claim trader status, you are to be in the continuous business of trading. A multiple-year commitment looks more like a business. and a few months or 1 year looks more like a hobby. So you can begin to see how the assistance of a professional day trade tax specialist would help navigate this specialized law for your greatest tax benefit. So what does all of this really mean? Often this means that most day traders, even what we would consider to be active and well-balanced in their day trading, will not meet the IRS definition of a day trading business or an active trader. As such, most day traders forfeit the tax advantages that would be available to them at the trading activity they choose. Yet many day traders give up those benefits because often their tax preparers are unaware of alternative strategies to preserve such rights. Now, here's a hot tip from our most successful and wealthy day traders. There is a simple answer in gaining back the many tax advantages granted to formal, active traders. Our affiliate expert day trading tax professionals will guide you and help you register a business through which you can trade. By doing so, you can establish a formal business operation status and benefit from all of the associated tax advantages. That means you do not have to qualify by IRS standards as an active trader to get the many benefits of operating as a business. You have created a day trade business that you own, and you serve as the principal day trader through which you direct all of your day trading activities, profits, losses, etc., and therefore qualify for typical business deductions. What results is the ability to day trade at your pace and timing and retain all of the business tax benefits. The question then arises as to which business structure is best for you. Without a formal business entity, a day trader may claim to be a sole proprietorship. However, not having a formally declared and managed business structure, the day trader loses many of the tax advantages and protections of a formally registered and operated business. A little paperwork with the state and you can organize yourself into a formal business. However, for many, a well-prepared and reliable formal business filing can be a new and complex undertaking. Many reach out to their state for assistance. Many use a business startup specialist, an attorney, or others. It's common, however, when assisting with such filings, these non-tax professionals will often refer you to a tax accountant or expert. So again, we're back to a day trade tax specialist. As such, our recommendation is simply to work with our affiliate expert to assist you with your formal business filing. They will file for you the correct business entity with the needed articles of organization, establish an operating agreement, gain the federal identification number, and more. When you are counting on your business entity to separate and protect your personal, professional, and day trading assets, you need experienced day trade professional services. Now, there are several business structures. However, there are only two that a day trade tax professional would usually recommend. They are the Limited Liability Company, or LLC, and the S Corporation, or S Corp. Let's take a closer look. Most people instinctively elect the LLC, and this business structure will serve you well, but it is a newer structure, still undergoing regulatory definition, and does not provide all or as strong a business protection and options as a corporation would. One of the best advantages of an LLC is its simplicity. It is simple to form and simple to operate, as it does not require much business formality, such as regular board and business meetings. It is often preferred due to its simplicity, ability to be managed by the owners directly, and other benefits as shown. Yet it is exactly this simplicity that limits its ultimate strength, as well as tax and protective advantages. The S Corporation, or S Corp, is the other viable option for a business structure based off of the large corporation organization. The S Corp is for those looking for a more robust and formal corporation structure for the primary benefits of greater protection, easier access to profits, simpler transfer of management and ownership, and other features as shown. These additional formal benefits are as a result of more formal governance and procedural requirements also as shown. There are meaningful differences between the various business structures and each can serve you well. It might even be best for you to use both, such as operating an S-corp with trading operations through an LLC. The best structure for you will be determined in consultation with our affiliate day trade tax professionals. Here is another basic consideration to your tax planning. As you may be aware, the IRS considers income differently by the circumstances through which it is earned. For our discussion, this includes earned income, investment income, and capital gains. Earned income is money made through a job and includes wages, salaries, bonuses, tips, and the like. A consideration as a day trader is that profits may not contribute as earned income, and therefore you would not pay into Social Security, and to later receive a Social Security benefit if that is an important consideration for you. By operating a formal business, there will be some consideration made to wages and Social Security contributions and withdrawals. The IRS also recognizes investment income, and this includes interest, dividends, annuities, royalties, and the like. It can also include net capital gains if you wish. Day trading usually does not involve much investment income. The third form of income, recognized by the IRS, is called capital gains, and it's the profit you make when you buy something low and sell it high. There are long-term capital gains if the sale occurred a year beyond the purchase, and there are long-term capital losses that are also recognized to offset some capital gains. Short-term capital gains occur if the sales happen within a year, and again there can be short-term capital losses. Most day trade income would be considered short-term capital gains, and the challenge is that this income creates a tax obligation that can be nearly double that of long-term capital gains. And this is where the knowledge of a day trade tax professional becomes critical in minimizing tax burden based on any classification of your income. Let's talk about another key consideration to retaining your earnings through minimized tax obligations. In connection with organizing your day trading around a business structure, there are associated deductions that can reduce your tax obligation. So what are some of the things that can be deducted when operating a day trade business or being classified as an active trader? The deductions can include a home office, office improvements, tangible property expenses like furniture, equipment, and so forth, an indicator and trading system, education, coaching, mentoring, and seminars, startup expenditures, organizational costs, professional services such as accounting, clerical, and so forth, retirement and other benefits, etc. Our affiliate day trade tax experts will ensure that you benefit from the fullest available tax deductions and savings. Again, the savings will more than justify your effort to professionalize your tax planning and associated costs. Now, there are many other tax considerations, such as when is a tax incurred, when I win a trade, when I'm paid by the broker, when I deposit into my local bank, when. What considerations and declarations need to be made with an overseas account? Really? When do I pay my taxes? When incurred? Quarterly as an estimated tax? Yearly? When? What is my tax rate? What is the full list of deductions that I can take? What are my risks with an improper tax filing? The list goes on and on. But let's stop here. You probably realize by now that day trading taxation is not a do-it-yourself activity. There is too much at stake. So now let's bring this all together with a couple of examples. Let's say that you are a natural at day trading as you have been well trained and are using our proven indicators and system. The ease of your growing profits lulls you into a casual approach to other important aspects of total day trading success, such as taxation. The result will be noticeably less earnings at the end of the year and less confidence in your day trading to fulfill upon your expectations. Now, as a second example, let's say that you take a different and more professional approach to your day trading. This time, you recognize the importance of a day trading support team from income earning to income preservation among the personal and professional development efforts. You recognize that as part of your coaching, and even before you begin trading, that you must properly position your trade activity through the mentoring and services of our affiliate day trade tax experts. You now approach your day trading more holistically, realizing success does not end with a winning trade, but protecting and growing your earnings after you close a profitable trade and through the entire money use cycle. Add to your day trading our affiliate tax experts to set up a foundation for post-earnings success. This will include create a plan that will foster within you a professional day trading outlook and success. Structure your day trading like a business that will qualify you for greater tax advantages and asset protection. Organize yourself with a bookkeeping system to manage trade profits, losses, and expenses on a monthly basis, following the guidance of a tax professional to most accurately and fully account for all of your tax deductions. Receive year-round tax services and filing to know that you have fully complied with your tax obligation. Benefit from wealth management services to fully leverage your wealth gains and financial security. One quick note on bookkeeping. A good bookkeeping system is critical to authoritatively claim your deductions with organized proof of expenses. Our affiliate day trade tax professionals can help you create a proper bookkeeping system or provide you bookkeeping services. A little task such as this can save you substantially on your taxes. What does all of this mean? Well, remember, the largest loss to your earnings is due to taxes. The level of your planning and bookkeeping will determine your ultimate retained earnings. To approach taxes casually is to essentially forfeit a great amount of profit. It would effectively be like going from winning 8 to 9 out of 10 trades to winning only 6 or 7 out of 10 trades. This lower day trading winning rate would be absolutely unacceptable to any of our day trading students and members. So do not allow that to happen with casual and uninformed tax planning and preparation. Now, we have spoken of our affiliate day trade tax professionals, and they offer a basic, plus, and premium service as shown. You can see these services address the key areas of proper day trade tax and wealth strategies. Now, these services evolve as tax law changes and we see emerging needs, and of course, with your personal situation. All right, here's another hot tip from our most successful day traders. Do what you do best, and that is day trade and earn extra cash, a lifestyle income, and gain wealth. Then let day trade tax professionals do what they do best, and that is day trade tax preparation. Your day trading and other aspects of your life is enough for you to do and master. Such mastery will be the engine to create the extra cash, lifestyle income, and wealth with time flexibility beyond your imagination. Master day trading, and then enjoy the benefits and confidence of services provided by experts in areas of your needs. That is confident, wise, and joyful living. Here is another hot tip from our most successful day traders. The savings gained from using our affiliate day trade tax professionals to prepare and file your taxes is often greater than the cost of their services. That's not just the first year, but year after year of savings and service confidence, allowing you to focus on what you do best. Continued use of our affiliate tax professionals provide further savings through greater efficiency as they get to know your unique needs and desires. So there it is, a more complete path to substantial financial success. We invite you on that path. The combination of winning day trading, keeping the most of your trade profits with an optimized tax plan and wealth management system, and a disciplined professionalism is the proven path to ultimate wealth. We see this time and again with our most successful day traders and others of success of whom they associate. If you are seeking to most assuredly secure personal and professional success and financial security, then we admonish you to follow others who have preceded you in the same journey. Yes, tax savings are important to retaining your earnings. Yet even beyond the tax savings, you will be coached to see your day trading differently. You will approach your business more professionally for greater financial gains and personal satisfaction. You will also know your corporate structures are protecting your personal assets from any business liability and any business liability from your personal assets. Ultimately, you are positioned with the mindset and developing skills to leverage your growing wealth into a powerful current and future asset for yourself and those around you. You'll know that you have arrived. Your future is secure, and that is priceless. We invite you to become more acquainted with Trader Tax Pros. You can visit their website at tradertaxpros.com, and we also invite you to register for a free consultation to better understand how they can specifically benefit your tax considerations.